As I mentioned earlier, there are several different models within the ISD framework. Here is an example from your textbook of a 7-stage model. This one is more comprehensive than some of the others that you will see. 7 steps is a lot compared to the ADDIE model, which only has 5 steps. We will look at that model at the end of this lecture video. Step 1 is to conduct a needs assessment. Step 2 is to ensure that trainees are ready for training. Step 3 is to create a supportive learning environment. Step 4 is to implement different features to ensure that transfer of training actually occurs. Step 5 is to create an evaluation plan. Step 6, towards the very end of this linear process, is when the training is actually conducted. Step 7 then involves evaluating the effectiveness of that training. Let's take a look at each one of these steps in more detail on the following slides.